Hi, what's up? Let's design a quick, photo frame in CorelDraw 2021. Without further ado, let's step into it. So right now, this is the picture that we are going to be using. So let's go ahead and make this size. It's going to be 16 by 20, 16 by 20 inches. Then you go ahead and create, an object on top of that. So let's do the same thing, 16 by 20. Hit OK. Then you page it to the center of the page. So right now what you're gonna do is to go ahead and just sample the color with the help of color eyedropper tool. Good, this is good. Put it on the background. So right now what we are going to do is to bring in make a copy of that background. Then you go over to what's it called, transparency tool. Then you go over and hit on set the mode to subtract. Okay, so right now what you're going to do is select that, then you go ahead and make it bigger. Let's Powerclip that into place. Let me show you how to Powerclip. Go ahead to object, locate Powerclip, place inside frame, select the frame, automatically snap into the page. So right now adjust the background just like so. Good. So right now what you're gonna do is to make a copy of this in Word just like so. Then go ahead, make this a bit bigger, extract the one at the background. So extract the content, delete that content, right click again, locate frame type, set the frame to remove frame. So right now what you're gonna do is to sample the color right here again with your color eyedropper tool. Put it on the background. Then you go ahead and just right click on white to set this particular object to white, the outline to white. Then you set it to 5. Click on scale, bend, fill, check on that, it's okay. Good. Go over again, let's make it 9, it's okay. So let's Powerclip the picture into it, which is the main picture of the woman. Then adjust just like so. Adjust the picture, reduce it a little bit. Good. So let's lighten the background a bit. Good. So let's go ahead and just arrange the text in accordance. Let's delete this. So let's go ahead and just make this white. Then go ahead, let's create an object right there. Good. So what we're going to do now is to right drag this color on top of the object that we created. Set I drag it, so many pops up. Then you click on copy all properties, automatically copies. So after that, let's locate this. So what we're going to do is to copy this background right here, make it bigger. Let's convert it to grayscale. Good. So what we're going to do now is to go ahead and click on our transparency tool. Then you go ahead and change the blending mode to screen. Good. So Powerclip this into place just like so. So let's lengthen it a little bit. Go ahead and click on uniform transparency. That's nice. So what you're going to do is to right click, set the outline to none. Then you go ahead and just let's make the down part by using a gradient effects, the down part a bit darker. Good. So right now what we are going to do is to go ahead and right click on the object, convert to curve. converted to curve already, so let's go ahead and hit on shape to double click. It's not convert to curve. Let's right click, convert to curve, then you double click to add a node right here. Put this up, double click, add a node, pull it up a little bit, then make a copy inward. So right click to set the outline to white, extract the content, then right click on the background, set locate frame type, remove frame. Automatically it's gonna appear the star on top of the objects. Unfill the object, then you go ahead and just clip this into place. So Alt key, select the object, then you position it so well. So after that, go ahead with your shape tool, range it from the top, then you pull this, up just like so. Good. So right now what we are going to do is to just send the text to front by holding Ctrl key, then tap on page up on your keyboard. Go ahead and just hit Ctrl K. Let's set the font to Naija. So right now what you're going to do is to go ahead and hit Ctrl K, then let's enter right from here, bolding this all up, then you go ahead so right now let's adjust this a little bit. So what we're going to do is to go ahead and make it a bit smaller, make this a bit smaller, bolding it all up, then let's lay emphasis on our name. So let's go ahead and choose Swiss. Or better still, sans serif, then hit Ctrl K, go ahead and copy a property, right drag on top of the Ogundele, then menu pops up, then you select copy our properties. So right now let's make this gap. So likewise the hairstyle, good. So make it bigger, then position this beneath, make this bigger as well, just like so. Good. Let's change the font of this as well to sans serif, bigger. Then the last but not the least, make this all cap. Good. Make it bigger a bit, closer. Good. So right now group it all up. So right now what you're gonna do is to just let's reduce tracking just like so with the help of shape tool. After that, let's go ahead and create an object on top of this, change it to white, then you go ahead, copy it downward. So right now let's just bring this down a little bit. Let's group it all up, position it so well right here. So our next step right now is to let's type at 50. At 50. So let's hit Ctrl K on keyboard to break that into pieces. Then let's go ahead and make this a bit bigger. So what we're gonna do now is to go ahead and just create a contour. with your contour tool, pull that a little bit downward. So after that, go ahead to object, then you locate break contour into pieces, automatically it breaks. So right now what we are going to do now is to let's drag this color right here on top of this, then automatically changes to that. Then let's just bring it out. So we are going to be applying a 3D effect. So let's go ahead and locate 3D envelope tool. No, extruding tool rather. So let's drag just like so. Good. So right now what you're gonna do is to go ahead and break extruding into pieces, group it all up. So what you're gonna do now is to apply gradient effect with the help of shadow to apply shadow effects just like so. Let's go ahead and make this a bit darker, 90. It's okay, good. So right now let's go over, locate, break drop shadow apart, group it all up. Then let's go ahead and just position this just like so. So we are not going to be leaving this as it is right now. We are going to just add a pattern on top of this, 50. Let's ungroup all of that. Then let's change to grayscale. After all of that, go ahead to your transparency tool, then you locate uniform transparency. So right now what we are going to do is to Powerclip this into place. Before we do that, let's just blend it just like so, make it bigger. Then let's go ahead and blend the top of this, convert to bitmap. Then you go ahead to your transparency tool, blend the top of the object just like so. Good. Convert to bitmap. Then let's Powerclip that into place just like so. Good. Put out key, select the object, release out key, then adjust. Good. So right now what we are going to do is to make this out a little bit bigger. Then select the whole thing, pull it up a little bit just like so. Good. So right now what we are going to do is to make the background a little bit lighter. Good. So here is the outcome of what created. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the button below, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like button so that other people can benefit from what we have shared so far. See you in the next video. Bye for now.